I'm doing a giveaway.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi rock stars, I'm doing a giveaway. I am so excited to give away these awesome products to one lucky rock star. And I thought I would take a second just to show you guys what I am giving away in celebration of the launch of the RockStar BarGirl Masterclass, Course 1, the fundamentals every bartender must know. I have put together the most complete and perfect beginning bartender bar kit ever. It's the RockStar BarKit. It's now available on my website for purchase, therockstarbargirl.com, but one lucky winner is going to get this entire kit for free, along with a copy of Cocktail Codex, the amazing cocktail recipe book from the authors of Death & Co. So let me show you what is in this amazing giveaway pack. So here we've got a copy of Cocktail Codex. It is an incredible book. If you guys are interested in cocktails at all, then I know that you are familiar with Death & Co., award-winning cocktail bar here in New York City. The founders of that bar created an amazing cocktail recipe that won a bunch of awards, and this is book 2, Cocktail Codex. And I love book 2 because it's so perfect for the beginning bartender. It breaks down cocktails into 6 categories, and then they really break it down, and there's so much to learn. The book is beautiful, the pictures are absolutely stunning, and there's tons of useful information in here. So this is a really useful book. I am most proud of the RockStar Bar Kit. This kit is everything every beginning bartender needs to get started. So if you don't have your own bar tools or you don't have that many, this is going to take care of you. And of course, most importantly, it's every tool that you are going to need to follow along and practice with each lesson in Course 1 of the RockStar BarGirl Masterclass. As you can see, it's full of new products from barproducts.com. You know, I'm obsessed with them. They have everything for such affordable prices. You're gonna get strainers, shakers, shaker tins, glassware, jiggers and measuring devices. I've got V-Rod, beer openers, wine keys, tongs, speed pours, ice scoopers, and there's even a muddler in here. So it's absolutely everything that a beginning bartender needs. This will get your personal bar kit started off right. So head on over to my page. It has all of the details on the giveaway, really simple instructions to enter in, and I can't wait to pick a winner.
I'm a rock star.